Here we go everyone, we're going to make the simple circuit. The first thing we do is just like take the batteries, connect it like this one. Remember there's like a positive up here and negative down here. You have to connect the negative with the positive join like this. So we are going to put it here, so to make it not move, so we are going to use this tape so that it will not move easily. It's going to be very easy. Just like place it here. Okay, got it. Okay, then we'll have another one. Just take it like this. Oh, it's move. Okay, then we stick it. Connect it, positive with negative. Okay, done. It's already good like this. The next thing we do is just like we get this small bulb. I use the LED one. Okay, in LED what you have to remember is that there's like one of the wire here in the LED is long, as you can see here. Okay, the one here is long and this one is a bit short. So what you have to do is that you have to make sure this long one, yeah, later the wire with the long one will connect to the positive one, and the short one will connect to the negative one. So now after you know that one, we are going to like put wire, attach it to both of these edges. Get the wire. There are two wires, right? The long one, I use the long one first. The long one will be used because I'm going to put it like this, so I'm going to put the long one with the long one here, connect it here. You just need to do it simple. Just try to tight it as long as it touch with the metal of the bulb. I do it like this. Oh, it's taken off. Hang on, I'll do it again. I think I'm going to turn it so that it will not let go. Okay, this one done. I will make it like this, it's better. Okay, then get another wire, the second long, and connect it here. If this is like quite hard for you to do this way, you can like need uh, help from your parent to tie this one. Because the wire is too small, so sometimes it just like let off. Okay, this one is the other one is off. I'll try to use another side. Done like this. Okay, you have to separate it like this. Don't let these two connected each other, but let it be like this. Okay. Okay, the next one is that actually I'm going to place it here, so I will type this one first, so that the wire and the bulb will not move. Okay, on the other side. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now we have this one. Actually by doing something like this, actually we just directly can make into electric circuit. We just try this one. Actually the one is too far. Okay, actually by this one is just like a simple, and then don't forget there will have like another small wire, the short one. The shorter one we connect to this one. Just like this one, but later we will not use it like that. I just wanna test it whether it works or not. Actually this is the simple one. One is just connected. I try to put this wire, okay, the edge of the wire, put it here, and the other one put it here. Let's see if it is light. See, it lights like that. Okay, so now this is like the simple one. Now we are going to make the switch. Okay, that's why this is the third wire is going to be used for the switch. First we are going to connect this one first to this battery, to the dry cell, so that it will not move. Get your tape again, place it there, and the other one also you put it here. Just like this. Okay, now this one will function as the switch. Okay, see, when we touch it, it will light. So to make it good, I'm going to like type this one, so it will look a bit tidy. You can also design it by yourself. I know that like you can design well. So this is going to be the switch. Okay, that's done. Now we test it again. When we try to press this one, press it, connect it. Oh, it doesn't light. Wait, there's might be a problem. If there's like a, you find something like this, actually it light, yeah. That's the switch. It's light. Okay. If there's like a problem, maybe like for example you already turn on the switch, but like for example the light is off. Maybe there's like a problem in here. Yeah, maybe the wire is not really stick to the battery or this one. So you have to check it carefully. So that's enough. I think this is the simple electric circuit. I hope you can do it at home. It's very easy. Don't forget, you can also ask your parents for your help, but when you try to make it the simple thing, I want you to do it by yourself. Again, this is the switch, just like I connect it. It's on. It's nice, right? So have a nice day everyone. Okay, don't forget to do it at home and stay healthy there. Bye bye. Namo Buddhaya.